It's cold as shit is in here. It's like it's one of those weeks where everything's in the in Canada here. It's in minus, I don't know, 8 to 16. Woke up this morning, it was minus 16. When I get me and the wife some iced coffee, and it was freaking cold. My car was like, "Meow." Anyway. But yeah, I'm working on a Wilton vise, and this is what I'm using to what do you call it? Take off some of the rust. I know 9 million people on YouTube already use this. In fact, one of my favorite YouTube channels, and probably, I don't know, thousands of other people, is Hand Tool Rescue. He's one of the first people I've ever seen use it. And then I think Good of the Land guy, his channel also uses it. So it's really cool. It's in my little bucket here. What I recommend people do is, if you buy a Evaporust, buy one of these, a little pail to put it in, or you can buy a bigger pail and just keep buying it and buying it. Mine is the beautiful yellow it came in. I've used it, I don't know, once before, and I really haven't had to use, because half the times I have used it or wanted to use it, I was like, I'm not waiting 24 hours. I'll just zip off the rust with a angle grinder, and this Wilton vise though, I'm gonna Evaporust the entire, or whatever I can fit in the bucket. And if I can't fit it in the bucket, I'm gonna put a rag over the top, because the rag will just wick it all over. The only thing I recommend, if you put it in a bucket, try to find a lid that comes off easy. I bought a little tiny bucket at Ace Hardware, and no word of a lie, I mean, like, it's freezing in here, and this lid is a pain in the buttocks, I don't know, whatever, pain in the ass to get off. Works good though. I mean, it stays in there nice, seals up good, and doesn't spill. But getting it off here is like murder. So actually putting it on is just murder too. So I might buy a lid with one of those gamma lids. You can just unscrew it, or a thing. But since they're like $20 a thing, a pop for, what is this? For 1 US gallon, I might actually just get a bigger pail with an easier lid and buy another gallon of it. And every like month or so, I want at least 5 gallons of these. That's like $100 in Evaporust, but it works good, and I got a lot of tools and stuff I'm gonna throw in it, and I'm not trying to copy everyone else. It just, shit works, it works. So if it ain't broke, don't try to fix it, and don't try to invent something new if you could just use it. So anyway, sorry about the crooked camera. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.